In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do Nanami Black Flash Ultimate Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, in Ultimate Battlegrounds, Nanami has a Black Flash. This Black Flash is a very straightforward ability. It's just a line that has the usual Black Flash animation, but if you are able to get someone in the exact circle that you can see on the ground when you use this ability, you will actually perform a one-shot Black Flash. It has a crazy animation, and like I said, it is a one-shot kill, but it is extremely hard to set up. Regardless, I'm still going to give you instructions on what you have to do to perform this ability with a higher success rate. So first, get your awakening bar filled. You will need to awaken to use Black Flash's Nanami, so you will be able to attack dummies or other players until you get the awakening bar filled. So I'm just doing that right now. Once you are ready to awaken, just go ahead and press G, and you will see this animation play out. Now, to properly line up the opponent with the Black Flash so you can perform the one-shot, what you have to do is use this second ability that you have, Interrogate. This will play out an animation, and eventually your opponent is gonna get knocked back from you. So you will punch them over and over, and then you will throw them far away. All that you have to do immediately upon them being thrown is do a side step. So take one step to the side, left or right, it doesn't matter, and then take one step back. Immediately after, use the Black Flash in their direction. If you lined yourself up just right, the circle on your Black Flash attack is going to land right beneath them, and then this crazy animation will play out. As you might expect, this is going to be a one-shot, regardless of how much HP the person has left. So to summarize the process, get your awakening bar filled, awaken as Nanami, and then you are going to use Interrogate. Let the whole animation play out, and your opponent is going to get knocked away from you. Now, take one step to the side, left or right, and then one step back. Use Black Flash in that direction, and if you lined yourself up just right, you will get the perfect Black Flash. I hope I was able to help you on how to do Nanami Black Flash Ultimate Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.